Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. I hope you are enjoying all the squaring tricks which I have been posting of late, and as many as 9 videos have been posted simplifying the squaring process for you. And squaring forms a very important part of the simplification problems which you are going to face at all levels. If you are appearing in any placement exams in which quantitative aptitude is there, then you can't get rid of that squaring, right? And if you keep on doing the traditional approach, suppose you have to square like 741 and write the answer within 5 to 7 seconds, and if you are doing 741, writing below 741 and then doing the vertical multiplication, yeah, that's not the way the quant exams have to be worked upon. So you need some smart tricks, and this is one of those very interesting smart tricks. I am going to take up the squaring of numbers which end with 1. That means like 71, 81, 91, 141. Big numbers, 861, 971. All those numbers, even in thousands, 1421. I can square all these numbers so very comfortably if I know the basic squaring tricks. That is the prerequisite, knowing the basic squaring tricks. Okay, so this is the 10th video in this series of videos which are based on chapter number 4 of our ebook of short tricks, which is entitled Simplifying Squares, the Cubes, the Square Roots and the Cube Roots. So we are going to simplify everything for you. Keep on watching the series of videos which have been posted on the channel before, and I'm sure this is going to be of great use to you. So if you want a compilation of all these tricks at one place, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. You can download our app Learning Loop for amazing video courses which we have posted on the Learning Loop app. The link of all these things are given in the description of this video as well. So friends, to understand the concept of squaring the numbers ending with 1, I will take an example and we will apply those steps which I tell you in the first example to solve some bigger problems, maybe a big 3-digit number ending in 1, and I'll find the square using that method. So let's see the first question. 21 square, we already know that it is 441, right? But 441, how do we obtain 441 using some amazing steps which I can use for 51 or other 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers? We need to learn that now. So watch. The first step is to find the square of the number apart from 1. So when we are doing 21 square, so just forget the 1 for the time being. So we have the 2. So take 2 square, right? And 2 square is actually 4. Whatever square you get here, you have to suffix a 0 with that. So 2 square is 4, so 4 becomes 40. Had it been 8, 8 square is 64, it becomes 640. So put a 0. And then whatever number is here, 2, just take the double of that number. Double of this number 2. So I get the 4 and just add it to this 40. So you get 44, and finally whatever you get from these two steps, just suffix a 1, because any number ending in 1, the square will always end in 1 only. So just suffix a 1, you have the answer, same as here, 441. Likewise, let's try and apply it to 51 square. So apart from the 1, I have the 5, right? So first thing is take the square. 5 becomes 25 because 5 square is 25, and put a 0. 5 square 25 becomes 250. Now I have to add something to that. What is that? The double of 5, and double of 5 is 10. So just add a 10 here, you get 260. And what do you do after that? We'll create magic, right? You will just put a 1, and here you have the answer. 2601 is the square of 51. I tell you 3 to 4 seconds time and you will find the squares of numbers ending in 1 so easily. So let's watch the magic now. Here we have 14 apart from the 1. So 14, I'll take the 14 square, which is 196, and put a 0. Add what to this? Double of 14. Double of 14 is 28. So add 28 to the result. You get 8, 8, 9, 1. And then put a 1 to get your final answer. 19881 is the square of 141. See how quickly we are getting it now. Traditional multiplication is going to consume at least 5 times the time required to solve this question. Watch this. 281. So we need a 28 square. And I know 28 square. Now if you don't know 28 square, you can do 28 times 28 by using vertically and crosswise, or use the previous tricks which I have already told you in my previous videos. So 28 square is 784 and you need to put a 0, and then double of 28 happens to be 56. So add 56 to the result, you get 7896, and put a 1, you get the answer. 78961 is the square of 281. Now comes the time where we will have numbers whose square is difficult to find, or we have to use other tricks to get the squares of numbers, 2-digit numbers that is. So 641 square. So I need a 64 square. For that I will do 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 6 4s are 24, double 48. This is 6, this is 9, this is 0, this is 4. 4096 is the square of 64. So this becomes 4096. Then put a 0 and add what? The double of this number. So double of 64 is 128. So 128 to be added to this, you get 88014. 41088. And then suffix a 1, and here is the surprising result. The square of 641 is 410881. Now I know you must be surprised, how quickly this is happening. And if I have to do all by myself, I will not be writing so many steps. This is a video demonstration, so I have to write everything to convince you that the method really works. Let's apply it here. So I need a 96 square, and for that 9 square 81, 6 square 36, 9 6 are 54, double is 108, so I'll write 108 here. 6, 11 means 1 carry, 2 and 9, 9216. So this is 9216 followed by a 0, and double of 96 is 192. So I will add 192 to this result, which gives me 2, and then 15, 5, 1 carry, so 3, 2, 9. 92352, and then suffix a 1, and here is the result. 923521 is the square of 961. Maths is wonderful, friends, and if you know all these things, you become so confident in maths, and that reflects in your performance not only in maths but in other subjects as well. So practice this. This is very important, doing 30-40 questions after watching the video. And if you want a practice question compilation also, we have that also for you. So you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. I told you the WhatsApp number already, 9896369963. This is the WhatsApp number. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. If you have not yet subscribed it, please click the bell-shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of whatever we are uploading on the channel every day. Friends, practice is important. Do practice it and let me know in the comments below, did it work for you? All the best.